Hey guys, we're here to learn all about exponents. Now, exponents are simply repeated multiplication. That means I have something called a base number. That is the number that I am multiplying. That is this big number right here. That's always my base number. And then I have an exponent. My exponent is the little number that is attached to it. And that exponent simply means how many fives, in this case, am I multiplying together? Okay. The base number is what I'm multiplying. So in this expanded form, you see that I'm multiplying fives. My exponent tells me that there are 3 of them. So I have 1, 2, 3 that I'm multiplying together. Okay, remember you're multiplying them, not adding them. So 5 to the third power, or what we call 5 cubed, is not the same thing as 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 to the third power, 5 cubed, is 5 times 5 times 5. And so in order to evaluate that, I have to do this multiplication. So 5 times 5, I know, is 25. And then I'm going to take that 25 and multiply it by 5 again. 25 times 5 is 125. Okay, let's do a couple of together. This term evaluate, you'll notice it has the word value in it. That is simply, what is the value of this number? How much is it worth? Okay, we have 2 to the 5th power. So I'm going to write that in expanded form. So 2 is my base number. That means that's the number I'm multiplying by itself. And the 5 tells me how many 2's I need. I need 5 2's. Okay, there are my 5 2's. I'm going to multiply between them. Okay, there's my multiplication. Now I have to do the actual multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And 16 times 2 gives me a total value of 32 for 2 to the 5th power. Let's evaluate a slightly different kind of equation. Okay, on our second one, we have 3 to the 3rd power, or 3 cubed, plus 5. Now you'll notice that 5 does not have an exponent on it. There's nothing there. So that number is just 5. It's a constant. So in order to evaluate this, I first have to start with that exponent. 3 to the 3rd power means 3 is that base number. That's the number I'm multiplying times itself. And then I have 3 of them. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And here's where we're going to bring that in. 27 plus 5 means that this entire equation is worth 32. Okay. When you're working with exponents, you always have to follow order of operations, which means parentheses go first, then exponents, then multiplication and division and addition, subtraction. But exponents are simply a number multiplied times itself, and your exponent tells you how many of those numbers you need.